Hey guys, so I don't know if you guys can probably tell from the game, but I'm gonna be making a burger today because, well, I've always had this idea for quite a while now, and I've been delaying my videos for a while, so I think maybe I would try this idea today, and hopefully it doesn't go as bad as intended. Alright, so first you want to cut the stem and the root off a peeled yellow onion. Then from the top, you want to cut it straight in half. Then putting the flat side facing down, cut your onion. Then transfer the chopped onions to a plate. Next, cut a washed tomato and cut it into thin slices from facing it onto the side. See, I would say bring a whole pickle, but I actually had sliced ones. So take a whole pickle and slice it into thin slices. How thick you want each slice to be is purely opinion. Finally, you can transfer it to a plate. Next, using very clean hands, take some ground beef, roll it into a ball, and then flatten out in order to make a patty-like shape. You can repeat this as many times as you want or until you run out of ground beef. For seasoning, do 1 round of garlic powder, onion powder, and salt, and then also add a round of pepper. Flip it so that you can do the other side and repeat. On high heat, evenly distribute cooking oil onto the pan. First, we're going to add in our chopped onions, and we're going to cook them until they're crispy. Now, you can cook for about 5 to 10 minutes and continue moving them around with a spatula. It really just depends on how long you want to do it for. For example, 10 minutes is for best crispiness, 5 minutes is for least crispy. It really depends on opinion. Once you're done, grab a plate and then transfer the onions. Now that we're done for onions, re-add some oils so that it's more oily. And now we're going to start adding our patties in. Add your patties in and then wait 5 minutes before flipping them. For the most part, you aren't really doing anything. Oh, and make sure it's on high heat. After the 5 minutes are ready, flip both patties over with a spatula and they should be brown. After 4 minutes, add a slice of American cheese if you want a cheeseburger, and then cover with a lid so that it can melt. After a minute on high, take off the lid and then serve onto a plate. Time to assemble. First, add your patty with a piece of cheese on it, then some onions, then add a slice of tomato, possibly add some pickles, then you want to finally finish it up with some ketchup and mustard. Put your top bun back on and you're done. Anyways, guys, so here I am with my burger. I know it looks a little sad. My issue was that it was a little too small. Maybe next time I'll try to use, I guess, some more meat. I have my Coke over here. And I'll show you guys a bit of it. I had to cook it a little bit because it was a little undercooked, but yeah. Basically just cook it on high for 10 minutes. And I guess we're going to try the burger. I don't think it's bad. It's seasoned quite well. This is pretty good for not really expensive ingredients. No, but seriously, this isn't bad. The pickle and the onion complement the flavor. Onion and mayo, onion and mustard, can't really taste it that much, but it doesn't matter. Let's see. For me, it's an 8.5 out of 10, so yeah. See you guys next time.